What up, G Gang? You saw the title on the thumbnail? Another combo review, guys. Look what we got, baby. Naughty by Nature. Hip Hop Trio. You got my man Tretch, Ben Rock, and DJ KG. Yes, sir. Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe to the channel, baby. Sneakers and fashion. All day. When I seen this shirt, had to grab it, guys. Hits off the kicks. Real lovely. That pink is hitting, baby. Springtime color. Very nice. Hip Hop Trio. Naughty by Nature, guys. Very dope group. Look them up. Comment down below if you feeling this group, baby. See the fit, guys. Had to pair it up with some white shorts. Hits it off real nice. By the way, you can follow me on my other two platforms. IG Kicks 452 and TikTok G Kicks 75. All one word. Get over there and check me out. IG and TikTok, baby. More content. You see it, guys. Pumas in the flesh. Matter of fact, go back and check that video out. Did a dope review on these Pumas, guys. Mirage Mods. Naughty by Nature. Puma. Naughty. Puma. What a combo, guys. My man Ben Rock, Tretch. Come down, DJ KG. Gotta love them, guys. Hip Hop Trio. Throwback. Naughty by Nature. Puma. Nice collab. Don't forget, guys, while you're here, make sure you hit that like button too. Hit that like. What a combo. Mean and clean. Naughty by Nature, G Kicks. Out.